Hello guys, it's day number 75 of video journaling and it's your boy Ashutosh Pradhan as usual here. And from the last day 74, what I'm doing here, I'm setting my each and everything, whatever I'm going through in my life, in my personal life or in my business channel. I'm setting each and every insight so anyone can get inspired and can take action. And if you're searching for any accountability partner, I will say, here I am. Just comment, I will reach out to you and have a further conversation. As you can see, there's again I change in the background because I'm changing a lot of background nowadays, and there's a special reason behind it. I will say it further, but if you don't know what's the main purpose behind this channel and who am I, why I'm doing this again and again, I will suggest go and watch this video, then come back to this video. So today I'm going to talk about the 13th of August 6:30 a.m. Sorry, 6:30 p.m. to 14th of August 5:15 p.m. So first I will move to the topic and the background, why I have the background behind there. The thing is, I'm recording it 14th of August, but when you will watch that, it will be the 15th of August, and it's the Independence Day of India. So I'm more kind of countryman and also the global man. So wherever you live, wherever, what religion you have, whatever you have, what gender, whatever, that doesn't matter. So always love your surrounding, your people, your country, everyone. So I want to suggest because I want to be there. So it's a special moment. So I just decided, okay, there's a location, there's a park, there's one flag. So why I will not record a video right there? So I just suggest I made it in the mind. So my day 75 will be there on the day 79 of Independence Day. So happy Independence Day to all of you wherever you are watching from, whether you are Indian or not. Happy Independence Day. So I will go further what I did, and there's a lot of history about our country and the current situation. In history we are very greatest country, but by time we are also developing, not a developed country. So that's not a political, that's a political and some geographical stuff. So I will not move to that, and I will move to my stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching till now. That's the reason I want to show the countryhood, because wherever you are, like people are saying, hey, I'm from India, I want to move. Yeah, you want to move, but you can do something there too, because there's also a lot of business opportunities. There's $1 million companies out there. Why you're not reaching out to them? You are just want US dollar, euros. Nah. And if you want to experience different things, I will suggest go abroad, experience the thing, then get to India, do something, because opportunities emerging. And if someone will raise voice, this country will change. But the politics and everything, you guys know, if you are Indian, guys know, that's the thing, is stopping the people's creativity and stuff. That's why people are moving to abroad like US and UK. But it will change in the next 50 years. That's what I believe. That's what I am doing it for. Yeah, that's the basic intro of that video, and I will move to the main topic. So yeah, it's around 6:30 last day. As I said, I will call to my mom after this video. I call my mom, talk about the stuff, what I'm doing, whatever I'm doing in my college exams and the life, and why I'm going to park and doing the video and stuff. Say, okay, you are doing well. And grandma is also well. I was talking about grandma last days. She's doing very great, and she will move to another big hospital, so she can treatment, and she will have a better health than the last one and the last days. It's good news. Then also my sister bought a gift for me for the Raksha Bandhan, but the gift is there in my tier 3 city. So when my aunt will return to his house, I'm at my aunt's house, so he will come up with the gift. I don't know what can be the gift. I think something can be related to my work or technical thing. I don't know. So this thing will be something amazing. I don't know. It's kind of more suspense because they never. She doesn't give me a hint to, because I was asking my sister again and again, hey, what can be the gift? What can be the gift? A surprise. So, yeah, okay. And it's finished the talk and out for the home, and it's take me like 45 minutes to go there. In between that walk, I was again watching the brand and stuff, and I'm coming up with all ideas and angles and creativity. Because if you're just putting up, listening to music and going for walk, you just repeating the music. And I already suggested one of my video where the three things you should must avoid while you're doing the walk, because I walked from last 600 days, so I made a video on that. So I will suggest there's a first link on this video. Go and watch it, because it can save your creativity, your consistency or focus and productivity. Go and watch it now after finishing this video. And yeah, I get there. I started uploading the day 74 video, and while uploading I was studying for my exams. I think the corporate accounting, because I didn't finish some part of that video, the subject, so I was studying that. And after studying, it's around 9:30. Also again working on the content and the LinkedIn post and the Instagram post. So after doing the edit and stuff, at around 9:30 I had my dinner. And after having the dinner, I think it's about I always eat the same days, like 3 or 4 rotis with the, as you said, soya chunks. But last day, my aunt's daughter, my cousin, what she did, she grinded the soya chunks. So I was like, bro, what is this? And when I eat that, okay, it's kind of easy to chew. Like when you're having the soya chunks, it's kind of more big. It's kind of hard to eat with your teeth. But when it comes to the grinder one, it's easy to eat. And when you have the spices and the onion and then other things, it's tastes very good. It's also good for health. So I suggest my mom should do that. And yeah, it's a basic thing. Like you just have to put the soya chunks into the water. After it getting soft, then you have to fry or something. But you can grinder it too. And after having the soft, it's also hard to taste. Let me check if the video is playing or not, because sometimes it gets fucked. Yeah, it's fine. So what I was saying, the soya chunks, yeah, it's not that big thing, but yeah, it's a daily life. So I think I should say it, because there's the things, the little things, the little moments will remember forever when I will rewatch these videos. So I finished my dinner, again get back to work, prospecting about the eyewear brand. And I'm not seeing that much effective results, and I think I am not targeting the valid emails. So that's one of the mistake I'm doing. Let's see. And I'm having the low key volume. So by time I will increase the volume, because I'm seeing one of my guy in our server where he is outreaching like 30 consistently from last 1-2 months, and he is about to close client or already working with a client. So my coach said, if you're outreaching daily 30 per day for next straight 2 months, if you will not close clients, I will pay you with my methods. And he proved that something is working. And I said I have to walk too, because I'm very low key with the outreach. 2 outreach a day, 3 outreach a day. I have to leverage. And after leveraging the stuff, then I will get the results. So he is the motivation for me. That guy, he will be a fucking millionaire, and I will meet with him. And he is right now watching for sure, I guess. By skipping the video, or I don't know how. He's sitting in the California, and yeah, you know, bro, hi. So I was talking about you, and you can get it very easily, whatever I'm saying. So till 12 I was uploading the video, also doing the SEO work, like what search copy I have to upload to get in the YouTube. So my algorithm will push my content, while also the thumbnail work, because coming with the thumbnail in this channel become easier for me, because I'm doing it from the last 50 days continuously designing a thumbnail, because thumbnail grabs attention of the people. If I'm saying any topic in this video, one of the topic will be the thumbnail or the topic of that video, or the highlighted topic. So I will make a thumbnail out of it. So I grab your attention. That doesn't mean I'm just saying anything, but I'm sharing value, because it's about the personal life which you can relate to. Like most of them have the similar life, but with the different situation, different problems. And if you don't want to have the problems like me, you can watch me. That's why you are watching. Yeah, get to bed around 12, and I'm having a little bit cold. As you can see right now, I'm having the little bit cold, and it's from the last night, because I ate chocolate, because chocolate also causes the cough, and while the eating the curd, and also the change in climate, because I be there from my village to there, so change in water, change in temperature, change in everything. So yeah, it's a little thing. It will be good in one day or maybe after tomorrow. Yes. And today, yeah, I woke up at around 6:30. Until 7:30, I was just having my freshness stuff. And 7:30 to 8:30, I was proofreading emails. The thing I wrote inside the bus out of 9 minutes, blah 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 blah. And in 10 minutes again, I proofread that, make the copy better, so it will be better for my newsletters. So my newsletter announcement will be there when I will hear the 50 subscribers, and in my main channel 100 subscribers. So before I have to set the emails, and I am also in confusion what I will do: ConvertKit, Substack, or Beehive. Beehive will get the money because if you will run the ads. When it comes to ConvertKit, it's very good for the long term, and Substack is the new thing. I don't know much about it, so I have to do the research about it. So for now, I am in confusion. I think I will go with Beehive because I have nothing to lose. See how the things will goes. If everything will be goes right, then yeah, fine. Because if you're sharing something value and spending time, so you should get return in it. Because I am sharing value to in YouTube, but after years, I will get the return from there because I created value out there, pushing to the universe or to the algorithms. But algorithm have to care because universe already saw, okay, that guy is sharing some kind of value to someone else, not to someone else, everyone who want to watch video like this. So yeah, how universe and algorithm will give me, it will see in the future. But and after 9:30, sorry, after 8:30, I was having my bath, then back to work, having the course, watching the course about the client acquisition. It blown up my mind, and I will not say it there. It's so many sources out there. So yeah, and after the client acquisition, and there's another module about the email sequences. Like, okay, someone is coming into a list, what type of email they will get, and after getting some kind of emails, what email they will get, when they will get the sales, when they will have the deadline, when they will buy the things, what kind of email they will get, a vending card or thank you emails or upsell, cross sell and stuff. I think if you don't know about it, I will make a video on it, like different type of sales and psychology of selling in my upcoming video in my main channel, so you can relate with the marketing and sales and all the stuff. Or maybe I will do it in my business channel. Let's see what I will do. So it's around till 1:30. I was watching the courses and doing some, yeah, till only watching the courses. A little bit I was like this. It's happened when you have the breakfast around 10 or 9, because there's a breakfast called aloo paratha. It's made of aloo and that, what that called in the bread, you guys call it bread. So bread, inside bread there's potatoes. So it's kind of thing I like it so much, so I can't control myself. Hey, aunt's daughter, cousin made 2 for me, and I had that. Okay, for the next 2 hours I was watching the course. In the last 1 hour of my first lot, I was like this, be like bruh. Then again I had the lunch, then I watched I edited the video for my Instagram, and after doing that I just made it for the edit and stuff, like just leave it behind. Then I had the rest for 30 minutes. It's around 3:30. Wake up. Till 4:30 I was studying the corporate accounting because I was lagging behind the topic and missing the part. So I was preparing for that, making notes. Then I reminded, okay, this park is the one of the busiest place, and also there's a road there. So I should go early to make video early, or there will be a crowd. So it's also a lot of crowd there, but who cares? But my video go well. Also the flag, it's not blowing, bro. Hey, wind blow sometimes. I think sometimes blow. I don't know how many times it blows. So you can see the flags. Every country has there. And I am saying in the future, if there will be any alien invasion, there will be no country, there will be only one world. I want that, we want that. So be friendly, bro. We are fighting for religion, we are fighting for our country and stuff, and our government wants to do some drama to entertain people. That's the drama that's going on in their life, in that country. They are harming us. Okay, world is not perfect. It's not everything will be good, because there's some evil people are also there. Because of them also, world is working, and I don't know. I have no words for that. Yeah, I think then I decided I'd be there. And when I was walking down to the road side, one of biggest hotel where also the cricketer and the biggest uh, Bollywood star also stay, I was going beside there and also coming into that road, into that path. And I get there, met the scripts, not the script, the outlines. If you don't know, I make outlines every time, so I can be with the flow, and whatever I'm saying, then you can understand whatever I'm saying. Because I want to be in flow, because and I don't want to make any script, but because I have to cover this, so I have to just say it in the flow by after this. So I just wrote it down, remember it, saying it to you without any break. And yeah, I think that's for day 75. Still blowing, yeah. It will blow because the wind and the pressure, the science, biology, nature is the nature. So how I can say, hey, stop, how it can be stopped. I think that's it. And if you didn't watch my recent video on my man channel, I will suggest to go and watch it right now on the to-do list, how rich people use, and I also use. I'm not rich, but I will be. But I studied them, I studied from their books, so you can go and check it out, this video. And if you want to know about my day 60 to day 70, then go to this playlist and watch. And thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for giving your time to me. And Tara, bye bye, see ya. See you in the day 76. Tara.